All right, let's run a demo for in place for resize. I have Kubernetes 1.33 setup here. So for us to get this working, I have to install metric server. Okay, so let me just set up metric server. So I should also patch it a little bit. Let me patch it. Then I look at my deployment, the metric server. It's still coming. Server is running one by one. Now let's check the deployment. It's running. So my metric server is up and running. Let's go to the next step where I have these services here, which means I am running this Kubernetes deployments. If you want to look into this, this is what you have. We're basically doing a HTTP bin a container with 100 M and 100 MB of memory and CPU. We have a fixed request and limits, and we're going to do a stress test on CPU and see how that works. Just check it's running. Let's just do a simple jump box creating obviously it's not a jump box actually. It's just an Nginx image, and I'm using this to do a load test on the pod that's running. So use it and get pods. I'm waiting for this to come. So I'm inside my jump box now. Let me just install AB. Let's just be okay. Update. Then add install. There you go ahead and install it. Say which AB. It's there. Now let's try to do a load test on this. Pod IP. Okay. Let me just replace the pod IP here and see how much time it takes. Hold on. Hold on, not here. So this is the jump box pod that I've created. This is the IP in which we have the request. So I'm just running an IV test and seeing how much time it is taking to process all these requests. Okay, it's taking 12 seconds to process all these requests. So what we'll do is we will go ahead and okay, let's come here. So if it'll get pods, it's been 2 minutes and this pod is still running. So what we'll do is we will increase the CPU here. Right now what we are doing is our CPU is fixed to 200 amp, as you can see in previous configuration. Now I'm increasing it to 200 amp. I will also check whether my pod has restarted. Okay, so my pod is not restarted. So let's just check the resources now. Did it increase the spec or not? Let's just do this. So I'm just getting the spec right now. My limit is 200 M and my memory is 100 M. So I've just got an increase in both requests and limits from 100 M to 200 M. Now, how do I know that this is increased? Now, track this number, right? It took 12 seconds, uh, nearly 13 seconds to do the same thing. Now, let's run this again. Now, before we run it, I'll also show you that my pod did not restart. As you can see, my pod did not restart here, which is Resize test. Then let's run this query and see how quickly this get running. I think it should run in less than maybe 7 seconds. Yeah, so there you go. So that's the proof of concept. Hope this is useful. If it is, drop me a like and share it. It really helps me.